Here is your Olli again. Today, I would like to give you some more information about the second version of the Intelligent Tachograph, also known as DTCO 4.1. Regular updates of the map material stored in the tachograph map are mandatory. But don't worry, your garage will take care of this as part of the regular inspection. If the workshop installs the updates, you can also have additional functional enhancements installed for your tachograph. This is not mandatory, but can be extremely useful. They also ensure that everything is up to date and runs smoothly. As always, you can find the details in the myVDO portal. Register there quickly and easily, and you won't miss anything. As it's all voluntary and not mandatory, you can also tell the garage that you don't want it. The protection and security of data is a top priority at VDO. That's why I'll definitely have it installed on my tachographs at the next test. Better safe than sorry. Stay healthy and drive carefully. See you soon. Your Olli.